This is Later Host in Salesforce. Juergen. Today, it's going to be Kanban versus List, how to set them up in Lightning and why they're 10x faster. So let me show you. I'm in my personal org. Again, how you switch back and forth between, say you're in Classic and you don't, it's right here, right? Say in Leads. And Kanban is always here, right? Over here. Oh, not available. Why isn't it available? Because it's always by the not available on the first view. But say my all open leads, right? All of a sudden, Kanban becomes available. I can switch it back to table. And when you implement it the first time, it'll default on whatever you want to sort it on. You don't have to sort it on status. Like here it is. Here, unqualified, closed. Let's see. This guy is definitely unqualified. This one, he is a Q2. I think I'm going to throw him into Q2. Higher force? Oh, yeah. That's open. And so forth. And then let me show you on tasks. This is another thing. Again, these are my tasks. You can sort on anything now. See, no Kanban, but a split view. Let's do split view. It's like all these endless tasks that I never do. And it's up here now. Now, what you do is you do something different. Overdo tasks. Now I can do Kanban, and typically it'll sort by the status line. This just disappears because part of my sort criteria ultimately will be show unless completed. And that's in the report here, the edit filter lists. And that's the efficiency of Kanban, 129 items. Kanban everything, man. I find it to be incredibly easier than list views. But to show you again, list views. Now I have to go into every single one of these, go edit here, or click here. It's like, what a pain. And then there's Kanban. Calendar is essentially a Kanban, right? So like for instance here, today's event, view calendar, boom, I've integrated this with my calendar.